All right, today we're going to work on a project for Desi's Cub Scout camp. They're gonna turn this 5-gallon bucket,
into a decorated bucket
that he can also sit on.
and put stuff in.
Yep. So we're gonna use a 5-gallon bucket that we picked up at Lowe's, some sandpaper and tape, a lid, and then Des chose some spray paint.
So we're gonna use, after we sand it, we're gonna use this.
Is that primer?
Yeah. We're gonna use primer. Then after that, we're gonna spray it with orange, yellow, and blue.
Yep.
And then whenever we're done with that, we're gonna spray it with this to give it some shine.
All right, sounds good. Now here we go.
We're gonna be spraying the bucket before we paint.
All right, let's do this.
Shake it, shake it!
What?
What's that rattling noise?
That's like a little marble inside the can.
Why is there a marble?
Why?
Yeah.
There just is. So keep going, man. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. All right. All right, Des, so it's gonna take a couple hours now for that to dry.
Yeah, so we're gonna probably do the rest of it
Tomorrow morning, maybe? It's already 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you'll probably go to bed. And then tomorrow morning, when we get up, bright and early, we'll start doing our next coat. That should give the primer enough time to be dry enough to handle. Okay?
Stay tuned for day 2.
All right. Yeah, gonna have to let that wait a little bit. We'll bring it in out of the rain area, make sure nothing can mess with it.
It's not even gonna rain tonight.
Let's see.
It's not gonna rain tonight.
We hope.
Yeah.
I mean, this is Houston, so you know they always say pack for 4 seasons.
Wait, what? Hold on.
All right, you want to go inspect our work? Go take a look at it.
Okay.
No, you go take a look at it real quick. All right, what do you think? How's it look?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Now, I didn't think about this before, but how are we going to move it? I tell you what, it's supposed to be safe to touch after 1 hour. So I'll set a 1-hour timer, okay? And then I'll come out and I'll move it back in here on the porch, okay?
Okay.
All right. See you later, guys.
See you later. Stay tuned for tomorrow. This is what it looks like done. This is the textures we kept on. We write all the stuff and where we live. And
Okay. Spin it around. Let them see the other side. Lift up the handle. Flip it over.
We put my name. We did the stripes, Space City Astro colors, and
yeah,
this is what it looks like.
Yeah. Did we do like you tagged it with graffiti? Spin it back. Let's see your name.
The name is rough.
Yeah, it's got some cool texture on it.
If you can't see it, there's like some blue, orange, red, yellow.
Yeah, and we made it look like you did it with rough graffiti on a wall, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And you've got your lid.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, which also has your Space City colors.
Yeah.
Good job. And now for the voting. Charlie, what do you think? Is it good?
Charlie, is it 10 out of 10? 9 out? Say a number. Say a number. Say a number.
Yeah, all he wants to do is say booty on camera. But I think this turned out pretty good, all things considered.
I'm going to rate it 100 out of 100.
Okay.
What are you going to rate it?
I'm going to give it 7 out of 10 based on our timeline. I messed up a few parts, but great learning experience. So you can see down here, I didn't do so great.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a little smudge down there, some grass. Ideally, I'd be able to like remove some of this here.
Mm-hmm. But it still looks cool, so.
Yeah, I think so too. And you'll be able to use this at your Cub Scout camp, right?
Yeah.
And put stuff in.
Mm-hmm.
And with the lid, you'll be able to sit on it.
Yep.
All right. So, saying goodbye. This is
sportsdudedes featuring Desi's dugout
and jmcoletx, and of course our little one,
Charlie, a little sick one.
Yeah. Run away! Run away!